walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but ours are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like car and J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care, loving you over my head.
Alright, so welcome back, car folks, to another weekend, and this time in the Show Wheel series we have a cool car. Oh, not a car, it's a pickup truck. It's the 83 Chevy Silverado, guys. Yes, this truck, you guys all know about it. It is a pretty trendy truck. It's got 6 out of 10 in HWR cars, not the same without the Hot Wheels Flame. Pretty boxy if you ask me, and it's got 6 out of 10 in HWR cars because of its decals. Challenge, which is written over there. It's kind of nice. I really like it. And looking at the back, there's nothing much over there. So yeah, just that officially licensed, blah blah blah. So yeah, guys, first part we gotta unbox it, and then let's take a look in a much more closer detail. So here we go. Alright guys, now looking at the Chevy Silverado. Yes, this is a pretty awesome car. I mean, a pickup truck. It has got a lot of detailings, guys. Like, on one side, it actually says Challenge right there. But on the other, it's pretty different. You know what? Just comment down below what it says on this side, guys. Yes, that will be pretty interesting. Comment what it says on the other side. And yes, looking at the details up front, you have a lot of chrome. Yes, that's a lot of chrome there. And on the inside, you can see it actually has a good bucket seats. That's pretty damn nice. I really like that. And at the back bed, it's kind of open wheel type. Like, you've got the exposed wheels right there. That's pretty awesome. And you've got the fuel tank too. That's so damn cool, guys. Yeah, at the back, you have pretty nice chromed up exhaust. Oh, that looks cool. And this is how it looks at the bottom. Yeah, you can't see much because of the reflection. Still, it is dope, guys. I really like this car though. And its details is also pretty nice, guys. But the tint, that's the disappointing part. Alright then, now let's go for the info. Let's talk Chevy Silverado as it is the info. So, moving on to the engine, guys. The engine in the top of the line was 454 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, guys, which produced up to 240 horsepower. It's kind of less, but still. And the top speed still remains a question mark, guys. That's left to you to find out, and also find out what's on the other side of the car. I mean the decals, that is. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button, smash it, and I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.